Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2582, that is pass the pillow. And in this there are n people standing in a line labeled from 1 to n, and the first person in the line is holding a pillow initially, and every second the person holding the pillow passes it to the next person standing in the line. And then once the pillow reaches the end of the line, the direction changes and people continue the passing the pillow in the opposite direction. Okay, and then for example, once the pillow reaches the end position, they will pass it to n minus 1 and so on to n minus 2. And we have to we'll be given the two positive integers n in time, and we have to return the index of the person holding the pillow after time seconds. Okay, for example, we are having n equal to 4 and time equal to 5, so the output comes out to be 2, and its description is as it will go from 1 2 3 4, then fourth is the last, so it will go to 3 and 2, and after 5 seconds the second person will be holding the pillow. We have to tell the after the time plus 1 second. Okay, who will be holding the pillow. Okay, so for that, firstly we'll be checking that if n is greater than time, so in that case I have to return simply time plus 1. Okay, time plus 1. Okay, and then otherwise I'll be calculating num, that will be equal to like basically I have to check the if it has rotated or not, time by n minus 1. Okay, then what I'll be checking is that if n oh sorry, if num mod 2 is equal to 1, in that case I'll be returning n minus time mod n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1, else I just have to return time mod n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, and now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it as well. And yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.